Biro Limited commenced business on 1st of March 2020, making up its account to 31st December each year. They had the following results for the few years of trading. Period to 31st December 2020, 430,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2021, 750,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2022, 950,680 naira. Required, you are required to compute the assessable profit for all relevant years of assessment. Computation of assessable profit for, leave the space, 20 whatever to 20 whatever years of assessment. So since you were asked to compute the accessible profit, let's actually start from the accessible profit column. Accessible profit. What determines your accessible profit is your basis period. What determines your basis period is your tax year or your year of assessment. So we said this in our previous class, that tax year is the same thing as year of assessment, right? This is a commencement question, so you apply the commencement rule. Biro commenced business on 1st of March 2020, and the rule says for the first relevant year of assessment, it is the commencement date to the first accounting year end. And they said they prepare their account to 31st December each year. So it's going to be 1st of March 2020 to 31st of December 2020. So we have 1 12 20 to 31 12 20. Now this is going to determine our tax year, and that is going to be 2021 tax year. The next rule will be the day after, that is 1st of January 2021 to 31st December 2021. And the third one is going to be 1st of January 2022 to 31st December 2022. And this is going to be 2022 year of assessment, and this is 2023 year of assessment. When you check the question ended on 31st December 2022. So there's no even extra information after 31st December 2022. So it ends here. Then you pick the accessible profit. In the question, you have period to 31st December 2020, which is actually what we're looking for. Period 2 means less than or more than 12 months to that date. So the period to here starts from 1st of March 2020, which is actually the date of commencement, because prior to 1st of March 2020, the business did not exist. So period to 31st December 2020, if you count it from March to December, we have March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. So you just put the profit you have, 430,000 naira. Then year ended 31st December 2021, 750. This question is so simple. It's from the assignment of the previous class, and here we have 950,680. So if this was what you solved, you got it. Okay. Then the next question, question 4, you have it on the screen. Akerele is a financial expert with extensive experience in poultry and organic farm business. He applied for registration of his business under the business name Ake Farms Limited on 31st of December 2016. The business prepares accounts to 31st December annually. Due to gross inefficiency on the part of the Registration Commission, the business did not start farming and production until 1st of October 2021. That 1st of October 2021 is what we're going to pick as the date of commencement, not the registration date, like we all know because you watched the previous class. The following relates to the business adjusted income. Period to 31st December 2022, 6 million. Year ended 31st December 2023, 4 million. Year ended 31st December 2024, 3,800,000. Required, compute the assessable profit for all relevant years of assessment. So you start by saying Ake Farms, not Akerele, because Ake Farms Limited is the business name. Okay. I have to mention something. Don't forget to put 2021 to 2023 years of assessment here. 2021 to 2023. The reason why I left it is because you have to determine your basis period first to know your tax year. Then you put the tax year, the relevant years of assessment that you're solving for here. Because if you had just said the company started in 2020 and you just put 2020 to 2023, it would have been wrong. Okay, from here you would have failed the question. So it's 2021 to 2023 years of assessment. Because this is a preceding year rule and it is your basis period years that determines the tax year. And we said that your tax year should not be the same as your basis period years under preceding year rule. It is an actual year that you have 2021 year and also have 2021 here. So let's solve this question. Ake Farms Limited. Computation of accessible profit for 20 whatever to 20 whatever years of assessment. Then we have our tax year, and we have basis period, and we have accessible profit. The first thing that should come to your mind is, what is the date of commencement? Once you see a commencement situation, try to recollect your commencement rule. That is date of commencement to first accounting year end. So the date of commencement here is 1st of October 2021. So you write that down. 1st October 2021 to the first accounting year end. It is said in the question that the business prepares the account 31st December. So the first accounting year is what? 31st December 2021, right? Between this and this is how many months? It's not 2 months. Don't say 12 minus 10. It is October, November, December. So that is 3 months. Now the next business period will be 1st of January 2022 to 31st December 2022. That is the next accounting year end. It's 12 months in between now. Then the next one will be what? 1st of January 2023 to 31st December 2023. The question is ending on year end 31st December 2024. So you stretch it to 31st December 2024. Right? 2024. Meaning it started on what? 1st of January 2023. So after you get this, put your years of assessment. So your years of assessment will go 2022, right? The year of assessment for this basis period is 2022. It can't be 2021 because it's the preceding year rule. Here is going to be 2023, of course. The next is 2024, and the next is 2025. Let me write that well. 2024 and 2025. Now we need to extract our profits. The question says period to 31st December 2022. There's a profit of 6 million. Period to 31st December 2022. In this whole period, they made 6 million. Now, where did that period start from? It's obviously from the date of commencement, which happened to be what? 1st of October 2021. Calm down and let it make sense to you for those people that are just joining the class or they're just learning this for the first time. So let's be graceful to them. The question says period to 31st December 2022. That period, it means that it is more than 12 months or less than 12 months. In this case, it's more than 12 months. But when you see year ended, of course, it's 12 months. Okay. But period to 31st December 2022, they said they made 6 million. That's why I spread out the period, as you can see. And that period started on the date of commencement, obviously, because before the date of commencement, there was no existence of the business. So it started on the date of commencement. Now ask yourself, between the date of commencement and the 31st of December 2022, how many months or how many years do we have? We use months here. So how many months do we have? We have 1 year, 3 months. So that is 15 months. But let's count, okay? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So that is 15 months. You can write it out. October 2021, November 2021, December 2021. Then you enter January 2022, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then we count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 15 months. After you've done it like this for a while, and you solved a lot of questions in basis period, you won't bother counting. So let us establish the fact that this whole period where they made 6 million is 15 months. 15 months. But what else we are looking for? The period we are trying to extract is the period of 3 months. Okay, we are looking for 1st of October 2021 to 31st of December, that same year 2021. They gave us a period of 1st October 2021, that's same 1st October 2021, up to 15 months after. I'm looking for something around here. I'm not going so far. So since I'm looking for 3 months, I'll say that 3 months out of 15 months. Okay, 3 over 15 times, what is the total profit of that 15 months? 6 million. That is me prorating. So that's the accessible profit for this. So you can just go put it in your workings, okay, on the next page. So when you want to solve, just write workings 1, and then you put this. Then when you prorate, let's put that in the calculator. 3 divided by 15 times 6 million. That's 1,200,000. So your accessible profit for the first 3 months is what? 1,200,000. That's what will be assessed to tax for the first 3 months. It's so simple that the balance is what you have here in the next period. Okay, let's solve it normally. Yeah, you've gotten for the first period. For the second period, now you're looking for 1st of January 2022 to 31st of December 2022. You ask yourself, where will I see it? Just like the first one, where you are looking for 1st of October 2021 to 31st December 2021, you ask yourself, where will I see it? And of course, we know that we're going to see it in the period too, because that's the first one, yeah. So the second one too, where would I see 1st January 2022? It's still in this 15 months, because we have October here, November here, December, then we enter 1st January, yeah. 1st January 2022 up until 31st December 2022. So it is still in these 15 months that we will cut out these 12 months. Here is 12 months that is here now. It's 12 months that is here, and also 12 months that is here. So here will be what? 12 over 15 times 6 million. Why can't the examiner just tell us that period to the 3 months 1.2 million, then the next one 4.8 million? That's just the complications. It's not complication, that's just the trick in the exam. It's not really a big deal. It's a very important foundation in taxation. You have to understand basis period to be able to understand any other thing and be comfortable with dates and let the dates make sense to you. Here we have 12 months. Ask yourself, where can I get these 12 months? It is in period to 31st December 2022. Obviously, it is not in year ended 31st December 2023. 2023 is far. This is year 2023. This is what we are looking for. This is the one that we are looking for. So it's not in year ended 2023. It's not in year ended 2024. It's still in that period too. And that period too contains 15 months. We've cut out 3 months. So definitely remaining 12 months out of that 15 months is what belongs to this. And it also makes sense. It's not a case of definitely. You have checked it and you've seen that 1st of January is somewhere around here. And 31st of December of that 2022 is somewhere around here. So you say 12 out of 15 months. That is, I'm looking for 12 months out of 15 months times 6 million, and that should give us 4,800,000, right? So that makes sense, and that was workings too. Then this one now is so simple. There's nothing to calculate because it's there in the question. Year ended 31st December 2023, 4 million. So you just dump it there, 4 million. There's no workings in the next one. Year ended 31st March 2024, 3,800,000. Life is very easy when you have somebody to explain to you. So that is how it is. Then there's also one last question. Just solve that quickly. So if this was what you got, because I put it at the end of the previous class, if this was what you got, you are absolutely correct. The last question. Bobo Limited is a soft drink company which commenced business on 1st of June 2021. The adjusted profit for the relevant years of assessment are as follows. Period ended 31st December 2021, 150,000 naira. Year ended 31st of December 2022, 240,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2023, 350,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2024, 440,000 naira. Required. Compute the accessible profit for all relevant years of assessment. Quick tip: this question, when you're reading them, it can be tiring. Like, year ended at first, be reading them now in the exam, or because there's no time to be reading and digesting. So be digesting them now. year ended 31st December 2021, 150,000 naira. And also be getting comfortable with your calculator. Be familiarizing yourself with these things. These are the things that help you to be fast in the example. Okay, so let's do this one quickly and move to change in accounting date and cessation. I forgot to say, please don't forget in the exam. Here is what 2022 to 2025 years of assessment, because the test commenced in 2021. You might have made mistake and put 2021 to 2024 or something, but you can see that 2022 to 2025. So just leave that space and try not to forget. So competition of accessible profit for Bobo Limited. Is that what it is? Yeah. Bobo Limited. We have the tax year or year of assessment, and we have the basis period, and we have the accessible profit. First thing to ask yourself, what is the date of commencement? Because this is a commencement question, and the commencement rule is date of commencement to first accounting year end. So date of commencement is what? 1st of June 2021. So you put it there, 1st of June 2021 to first accounting year. Ask yourself, what is the first accounting year? Is it given to you in the question that Bobo Limited prepares accounts to? They didn't give you that, but you can see the trend in the question. I'll put it on the screen. Year ended 31st December 2021. So you put that there, 31st December. What is going to be the first accounting year end? 2021. Okay. So the next one is going to be what? 1st of January 2022 to 31st December 2022. The next one will be 1st of January 2023 to 31st December 2023. In commencement, is the first 3 years that are the relevant years of assessment. Or in case the examiner gives you further information, it means that those years are relevant to the examiner. So make it relevant to you, because they give you here till the year ended 31st December 2024. So you put it there, 31st December 2024, right? Started on 1st of January 2024. So now you get your year of assessment. This would be what? 2022 year of assessment. Is it clear? 2023 year of assessment, 2024 year of assessment, and 2025 years of assessment. That makes absolute sense. Now, this one is very simple. Let's try and get the accessible profit. Period ended 31st. Okay, don't even get to the question. After you've done this, now say, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the accessible profit that corresponds with this period, right? So 1st of June 2021 to 31st of December 2021. How many months is that? June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 7 months. For somebody that was already thinking it is 6 months, 12 minus 6, foul. It is 7 months. Don't forget to click the link in the description box and download the exam bullet for this topic, this period. So after you've finished watching the class, download the exam bullet so that you don't need to come back here. If you're preparing for ICAN exam or any exam, you can just flip through on your phone. It's very easy to read. Summarized just the important point for you. So I said here we have 7 months. Where can I see these 7 months? That's the next question. Then you go to the examiner's information. They teach you like this in class. So share this video to anybody that will find it helpful. So here I can find this thing in period ended 31st December 2021. Oh, luckily for me, the examiner gave me period ended 31st December 2021. If he had given me to 2022, it would have been a challenge, because that would have given me 1 year and some months, right? But he gave me exactly to where I'm looking for. And I know that period is on the date of commencement, because prior to commencement, the business does not exist. So it's definitely commencement, right? So whatever the examiner attached to this is period 2 is what I need here. I'm looking for 7 months. It's equal 7 months like this. So that's 7 over 7 times whatever. 7 over 7 is 1. 1 times 150,000 is 150,000, right? So you don't need to prorate anything. So I put what? 150,000 naira. If what I explained does not make sense to you, rewind, slow down the video and watch it again. You will understand it. Now I'm looking for this. 1st of January 2022 to 31st of December 2022. Let it make sense to you. 1st of January 2022 to 31st of, that's 1 year. Where will I find it? Is the examiner give it to me outrightly, or do I have to pick 6 months from here and pick 3 months from here, or pick? No, the examiner gave it to me outrightly as year ended 31st December 2022. Year ended 31st December 2022 means 1 year ended. That is 12 months. So it must have started on the 1st of January 2022. So it's 240,000 naira. No need to prorate anything, I just carry it and put it there as 240,000 naira. The next one to 350,000 naira. The next one to 440,000 naira. That's all these questions. So simple. So simple. I don't like wasting time on simple questions. So let's move to change in accounting date. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, subscribe, share this video to anyone that's going to find it helpful, like, and drop a comment. Wow, that was really good.